Here's what's up.
Checking out Gary V, how to make money for free now. On all he's saying right now. Check it out. Listen to what he's saying right here.
Oh, Craigslist. There's a section. You go to Craigslist, go for sale, and then hit, that's the next button you click, and then there's a button within for sale called free. Click it. In America, because we're the wealthiest fucking country in the world, even when you live in the fucking hood, when you hit free, people are giving away free shit.
He's not lying, bro. Yo, he's not lying, y'all. This is literally true. You can go to Craigslist right now. Oh, listen.
People are giving away old TVs, old couches, frames, video games for free. You click the button, you go, yo, I'm coming to your house, I'm picking it up. You pick it up. You don't have transportation? Good. You carry a fucking chair on a bus in the fucking subway.